Hello and welcome to this admin IMT Lazarus explanation video today. We are going to explain how to proceed with the Google Workspace integration in order to upload the data regarding devices, supervisors, and groups in an easy and simple way. To do so, we go to our admin menu, Setup, Integration, Google Workspace. And we are going to be here in this screen. The first thing we have to do is to write the name of our link data that we want to proceed with, to choose our entity, the name of our school, and get the key. Insert and get the key. How to get it? We are going to tell you that if you go to our imtlazarus.com website, in the English section, in the content subsection, you're going to have a set of different documentation available in which the ones regarding import data from Google Workspace is the one that is going to explain you really fast and in a simple and very intuitive way how to proceed to do it. We go back to our platform, and once that we have the key in here, we apply we send the order, we apply with a green button in order to establish the link, to establish the bridge. And now here we have to proceed with the import of devices, then supervisors and groups. It's important to remark that with Google Workspace, once that you have the devices imported, the supervisors and the groups, then the relations between all of them is going to be proceeded, is going to be done in an automatic way. So the first thing that we have to do is import devices. We are going to again choose our entity, choose a configuration. It's important that we have to always choose a configuration for devices, because this is going to be, as we have already explained in previous videos, this is going to give us the three important pillars, three important criteria for the majority of the technologies. Those are the schedule and school calendars assigned to those devices, the browsing filtering by default, and the YouTube filtering by default. In Chromebook devices, also the integration, the link with your school Google Workspace will be available in order to do it even simpler and faster. Then we'll just send the order, click the green button, and the whole list of devices with a blue banner on top, in which we can select all of them at once or choose which devices we want to establish the import for. Then we go to supervisors. To import supervisors, again, we'll choose our organization and we'll choose the role, coordinator, family, supervisor, teacher in this case, because as we have already mentioned, when we import devices, we need to choose a configuration. When we import supervisors, we need to assign and to choose which role are going to have those supervisors, the language and the entity, and we'll send the order in order to have back a whole list of the supervisors, again, in which on top of it we'll may choose all of them, to import all of them, or click and choose whichever we want to do the import. And finally, we'll import the groups. We do the same in here, and we'll have the name and the on top of it in order to import all the groups at once, or we may choose each one of them as we may need or desire. Here it's important to remark that if we click this empty the selection groups for a clear import, that means that as you know, the integration with Google Workspace is in a scalable way. That means it's a large and increments the devices, supervisors, and groups, not deleting the former ones. But if, for instance, we are talking about a new school year where the devices of the students are going to change because they have moved to a higher level, then will empty the selected groups in order to clean what was before in the former school year. But if we just need to increment, to enlarge, to add new devices to make the relations between them, supervisors and groups, we'll leave it this blank. We'll send the order, and again, as already mentioned, we'll have the chance, as above, to import all of them at once or choose and click whichever we need. Simple and easy as always. So thanks. Follow us on our social and professional networks, and we'll be coming soon with next videos. Thanks. Bye bye.